I want to bring to your attention another method of assessing crop nutrient status and calculating actual paddock nutrient removal using grain samples. When the header rolls in here and the grain is trucked off, how much nutrient has left the paddock? I'll show you how cheap and easy it is to gain some really valuable data while sitting in the header or in the chaser bin over this harvest. For a sample, the lab requires about 300 grams of grain. Any grain crop can be sampled, and in this instance we'll be sampling canola. Within the paddock where the sample is taken, we need to make sure the yield is stable and representative. When you receive the report back from the Nutrient Advantage lab, it will tell you how many kilograms of grain of each nutrient are being removed per tonne. These values are then simply multiplied by the yield. Where critical values of nutrients for specific grain crops are known, the Nutrient Advantage lab can also report the nutrient status for an additional cost if requested. Another feature of the grain sample report is the 1000 grain weight, a required number to work out targeted seed sowing rate, but a painful exercise to do yourself. So to recap, a grain sample will provide you the 1000 grain weight, grain nutrient concentration, kilograms or grams of nutrient leaving the paddock in each tonne of grain. So it's great for the end of season fertiliser or nutrient reviews to highlight potential nutrient issues, and is another tool to establishing a nutrient replacement strategy for the next crop. The sample gets placed into a bag. It doesn't have to be a Nutrient Advantage bag, a Ziploc bag's fine. And on the bag, write the farmer's name, the site name, the sample name, and it pays to record the yield in the sample name as well. You want to select or write test code G1 on your sample, and if you haven't got a Nutrient Advantage account, it doesn't matter, because when the labs are ready to release those results, they'll give you a call and payment can be made over the phone. So for less than a $60 investment, you get some really valuable data out of this year's harvest.